everybody. Hi everybody.
Hey everyone, it's Kissa and I am at Pop Century Resort during the crazy quarantine in room 5151 and I want to show you around. Okay, so the first thing you notice when you walk in is the awesome bed that comes down that I'll show you in a second. And I want to note, this is a handicap accessible room. When I was looking for our trip, I couldn't find one that showed the handicap accessible. So I really want to show you guys around because I feel it's a little bit more spacious than your regular room. So we'll take a quick peek in here. Now we'll go into detail about a few of the things that I noticed. So first off, there's your ironing board. So don't be stressed, you can iron your clothes. They give you towels, but we noticed we're here a family of 4 and they only gave us 2. So note to self, if you're getting here, you're gonna need towels. But we have plenty of toilet paper. So this is your vanity. Hi! So you have soap and the shampoo and everything I believe is in the shower. You have a makeup mirror and some tissues. And we're gonna open up the shower. Now, even during the quarantine, we have Disney H2O products. I love these. And you can tell by this little seal that they've been cleaned and sanitized. Go Disney. So because this is handicap accessible, we do have the bars in the bathtub, which is really important for our family. And then you have the shower head that comes down, so it can be both a bathtub and a shower. And you also have a little plug there for a hair dryer or a hair straightener if you're crazy like me. Another thing I would like to note, and we'll scooch down a little bit, because it is handicap accessible, we do have a toilet that's a little bit higher off the ground. Okay, coming back out, you have this little tiny closet. It's cute, but there's your hair dryer and your iron. We have an ice bucket, some cups, your coffee maker, and this light. Ooh, it lights up. Look at that. Now down you have a clear refrigerator. And if we open that up, it has a light. Very cool. So turning around, this is the regular queen size bed. I think these cubby holes are super cute at night, little end tables. And if you're like me, you're always forgetting the ports, so they have USB built right in. And the light switch is right there. Now, in between the two beds, you have this kind of like double nightstand. And once again, you have your phone. Doesn't say if it's been sanitized or not, but I'm sure Disney did. And you have your light switches. So there we go. Nice. So one of the important features is your remote has been sanitized. I wanted to point this out. As far as the COVID safety measures, here's a list about their enhanced cleaning. And we have more USBs. All right, so this bed is super cute. It comes down and there's the cute Pluto. Now this, I absolutely love. Don't mind our stuff. But there's another end table with USBs over there. So I think there's about 10 USBs for all your devices. I know portables are really... In this shot, I want to show you the actual scale. I was worried about my mom's scooter fitting in the room. I know we had watched Michael K's video a little while ago. His dad had a little bit of a rough time putting it in. But I will add pictures to this video. But they actually give you quite a bit of room. I know the Murphy bed here is up. But if we look down, there's plenty of room on both sides of the chair. So my thought is the scooter will be parking right here. So we'll do another very wide angle of the room. All right guys, thank you so much for checking out my first Disney YouTube video. I appreciate the support. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and follow me. Keep it magical.